Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram could not load activity problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step and solve could not load activity problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Again click on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Click on Instagram application. Again click on storage. Click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Go back. Again click on apps permission. You can allow all Instagram apps permission. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on search. Search Instagram apps. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram could not load activity problem on Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.